Good morning children, this is Bhavna Dhote and today I am going to take your English 2 subject. Open to page number 24. Today we will start with the lesson number 4, Partho the Park Keeper. Keep the finger where I am reading. Partho was a park keeper. He worked with 5 other people. He and his team kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. So children, here park keeper means a person who looks after the park or who takes care of the park. Team means group of people who always work together. So this paragraph means Partho is a park keeper. He and his team work together to keep the park clean. Parth used to love his job. Now next paragraph. Once every year the park was closed for cleaning. No one could use the park. Then, this year, the park was closed on a weekend. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. So, this paragraph means the park was to remain closed once in a year for cleaning. During this time, no one can use the park. This year, the park was to remain closed for weekend, that is on Saturday and Sunday, so that Partho and his team can clean it and fix anything that might be broken. Come to the next paragraph. Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. They went around the park doing many things. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. His team nodded. So children, here litter means pieces of waste paper, bottles and so on lying on the ground. Rubbish means waste materials. And nodded means moving your head up and down to say yes. So the meaning of this paragraph is Partho and his team really worked hard on both days, that is on Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday, they cleaned the park and they put all the litters or rubbish in the large bags. Partho said to his team that people should throw rubbish in the bins, to which his team agreed and said yes by moving their head. Now children, come to the next page. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. They trimmed the grass. They scrubbed the swings, seesaws and slides. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. The children will be so happy, Partho smiled. So the meaning of weeded is removing the unwanted plants. Flower beds means long, neat rows of plants with flowers. Trimmed means to cut the upper part or top part of the grass or plant. Scrubbed means rubbed something hard to clean it. Fixed means made something that is broken to work again. So this paragraph means that Partho and his team removed unwanted plants and planted new seeds. They also trimmed the grass. They cleaned all the swings and slides. They even fixed the broken merry-go-round. So Partho smiled and said to himself that the children will be happy to see the new look of the park. Now come to the next paragraph. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. Partho told his team, we must put up notices that say wet paint next to the benches. Here put up notices means to show something that is really very important. So this paragraph means on Sunday, Partho and his team painted all the benches. They wanted to put up the notice of wet paint next to the benches so that nobody sits on that benches by mistake. Now come to the next paragraph. By evening, the work was finally done. Everyone was tired. So they sat on bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. Snacks means food like biscuit and fruits which you eat between lunch and dinner. So the meaning of this paragraph is the team finishes their work by the evening and they all were very tired. So they took a break and enjoyed the tea and snacks. They all sat down and looked around the park. The park looks new. They all were very happy with their work. When they get up, they realize that they sat on a wet benches. Their backs were all covered in paints. "Oh no," said Partho. "We should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down." Everyone laughed. So, at last, they all laughed and said that they should have put up wet paint notices before sitting down. So, children, in this story, Partho and his team loved their job. They do their work that makes them happy. They also have fun together. When something goes wrong, they don't worry to it. They laugh about it together.